everyone, welcome to the third day of the cards. So today, being the third day, we are going to design a very simple logo, right? We are going to design a logo today, like a very simple food logo. So let's quickly go to our plus sign again. Click on the plus sign like I always show you. Click on the plus sign, then plus icon rather, then search for logo. Then you can see the first logo here. We'll just click on this 50 pixel over 50 pixel size, then it opens. So like usual, we are going to add up our color. So let's highlight the image, click on it, the color will pop out. Click on the color, click on the arrow so you can see it all. We are going to use this dark background. Remember, whenever a logo, whenever you click on you open any new design, right, there is a pop-up that normally comes from the design, but we ain't going to use any of the already made logos, right? We are going to create our own by ourselves, right? So drag it down and click here. We are going to also use solid color, right? Solid color, which is the pure black. Then we go back. Now we are going to create a very simple food logo using a text. So let's go back and select the text icon and type in our text. For example, spicy. Spicy. Then go back. Highlight it and increase it. Right, increase it and make sure it fill up the screen, and make sure it's also aligned at the center. You can see now this a purple, is it purple, Abby, pink line that is showing there actually is indicating that is already at the center. So just let it be at the center, right? So once you make it there, we are going to change the color. So click on add color, come up here. We are going to use a very sparkling color that's so many of you may be wondering, how did I get this color? So just click on it, right? Click on the image again, then go back to the color. You can see I selected the color from here. I didn't get the exact color from custom color, so I have to use this color picker to get the exact color that I want, right? Here's the color picker, which I will share the exact color. I will share this with you guys on the group, so don't worry about that. Click back, then we are going to search for, go back to elements, search for fire. So here is the fire. So click on it, click on the first one, then highlight it. Come here, you'll see the first color. We have a color orange, we have red, we have orange, but click on this red one. I'm going to adjust the red a little bit, then click on it. I'm going to adjust the red. I want it to be purely red. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, then that is cool. I'm going to resize it very well, then flip it. Use the flip icon to flip it horizontally. Bring it down here on top of this dot, right? Reduce it a little bit and bring it down here. All right, so you can see how far we have come. Our design is already taking a lot of shape, right? So now let's duplicate this our text. I showed you how to do it. Highlight on it, copy, duplicate, click on the card, copy it and bring it down, resize it, bring it below here, then let's click on edit, then let's say food. Okay, yeah, food. Go back, highlight it again, go to your color, select color again, select white, make it to be in white color, sorry, make it to be in red color, then go back. Then we are going to increase it. Click on font size to increase the size of the food. Then we are also going to use formatting. We are going to use space rather. Click on space. Okay, so I think that spacing isn't giving me what I want, so quickly go back, bring it down here, and we are going to change the font a little bit. So instead of being in small letter, let's make it a capital one. All right. We are going to bring it down a bit. Very good. And make sure that is very well aligned below the spice. Then we go back again on element and search for chili pepper, chili. Let me put the full word chili pepper. Exactly, so we find a chili pepper that we are going to use. Select on this black one here and bring it down here. Increase the size, increase it a little bit. Exactly, bring it down this way. So for us to get the exact alignment, we use this notch to get it. Well, you bring it down a bit, then just tweak around it. Exactly. Rotate it a little. So guys, you can see how far we've come designing this logo. If you take a look at it very well, you see that it's taking a lot of shape, right? It's taking a lot of shape, giving you that beautiful food spicy food logo that we all see every day. So you can see how we've come far. So click on this text again. We are going to change the font. Click on it. Oh, right now it is on Canvas Sans. Let's go back and check for other fonts we could use for it. So you can see how shapely and beautiful our design has come off. So quickly do things like this and send it to the group as an assignment. And thank you. We'll be diving into the last design, which will be a certificate, right? So we are going to design a certificate on our next class. So quickly do this and send it. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you in the other class.